If you're looking for a reliable HDMI cable that can handle high-definition video and audio over long distances, this 4K HDMI cable with 50 foot in length is an excellent option. This cable supports up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, ensuring clear and vibrant video quality for your TV monitor or projector. It's also backwards compatible with lower resolutions like 2K, 1080p, and 720p, making it versatile for various devices and setups. Thanks to the gold-plated connectors and fully molded design, it provides a consistent and stable signal without interruptions. This is particularly important for maintaining the quality of your video and audio, especially over a 50-foot distance. Additionally, this cable supports audio return channel ARC functionality. This means you can send audio directly from your TV to a compatible soundbar or AV receiver, eliminating the need for extra audio cables and allowing for a cleaner, more organized setup. The Kintabo HDMI cable is widely compatible with a range of devices. One downside is that it does not work with newer consoles like the PS5. However, when plugged into the HDMI of a PC or laptop, it displays just fine. Beautifully, in fact. In conclusion, this HDMI cable offers impressive video and audio quality, stable connections, and broad compatibility.